How do you deal with sweaty scalp? So if you are someone who sweats like a lot on your scalp, sweat excessively on your scalp, oh my god, you have a sweaty scalp. Oh my god. And we are together, like I'm also in these shoes. So it is very uncomfortable to have sweaty scalp. So we need to know how to manage it. So I'll be sharing some tips that I believe would help you, some tips that have been helping me and that could help you to deal with sweaty scalp, to manage it. Yeah. Firstly, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here at Exfoliate Formulation School, I share formulation tips, I share hair tips, DIYs, anything that will just make your formulation journey easier or your hair journey easier. So if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. And if you're yet to subscribe, why have you not subscribed? It's not until I come to your house and make you press the phone before you subscribe. So please subscribe to my channel and always like and share my videos. So back to the tea of the day. How do you deal with sweaty scalp? How do you manage it? First of all, what is sweaty scalp? Sweaty scalp is, as the name implies, a scalp that sweats. I mean, if you are someone that you sweat a lot on your scalp, there's something called normal sweating, and then there's something like excessively sweating. You're someone who sweats a lot on your scalp, you sweat excessively on your scalp, then you have sweaty scalp. And this is something that it can really be a problem, right? And because there are so many things that come with sweaty scalp. Firstly, it can be uncomfortable. It can be really uncomfortable having sweaty scalp. Another thing is, sweaty scalp can lead to adverse hair problems. How? Sweaty scalp can lead to build-up because sweat dries out your scalp, and when your scalp is dry, it leads to more production of oil on your scalp, which can lead to build-up, and it can also cause dandruff, folliculitis, itchy scalp. So sweaty scalp can also lead to like adverse hair issues if not managed well. The other thing is, sweaty scalp can cause smelly hair. On a normal day, even when you sweat on your body, like it can cause like this sweaty smell and all that. That's why you use deodorant and things like that. We bathe more often and stuff like that. So sweaty scalp can also lead to smelly scalp. So for the past few weeks, I've been posting about sweaty scalp on my WhatsApp status. I've been sharing about it, and the number of people that actually replied to my status that said, oh, they're also in my shoes, and I was like, wow. So we are in this together. Like there are a lot of people that are also facing this thing. So I'm just going to be sharing some tips that have helped me and that will also help you to manage it effectively. The first tip I'll be sharing with you is use an apple cider vinegar rinse on wash day. That is, you add little apple cider vinegar inside water when you want to rinse off your hair on wash day. This is because the pH of water is actually high. It is alkaline, around 7, and this would mess up with the pH balance of your hair. So when you add apple cider vinegar to the water and use it to rinse off your hair, it will actually help to restore the pH balance of your hair. And our hair needs to be, our pH, scalp pH needs to be balanced. Especially if you have sweaty scalp, it needs to be balanced. So when your scalp pH is affected, it will mess it up, and it would also cause different hair issues. So that is one tip you can use. Then another tip is exfoliate your scalp often. Why do you need to exfoliate your scalp? You need to exfoliate your scalp to remove build-up on your scalp, which you're already prone to as someone who has sweaty scalp. And it also helps to remove dead skin cells, things on the scalp. So when you exfoliate your scalp, it helps to remove all those things. So it is very important for you to exfoliate your scalp. And how do you exfoliate your scalp? By using an exfoliating scalp scrub. That is it. So depending on the type you are using, the instructions will come with it. So you just use it on your scalp, leave it for a few minutes, and then you wash it off. Another tip is limit the use of it on your hair, like of applying it like styling tools on your hair. Limit it. Like normally you should avoid it completely, but if you cannot avoid it, then reduce it. Why? Because on a normal day your scalp is already sweating, like it sweats a lot, and then you're now applying it again. That would increase, it will just make the sweat like more like excess. How do I say it? Another thing you need to do if you have sweaty scalp is wash your hair often. You need to wash your hair often, right? And how often, you might ask? Wash your hair like every few days. And I know that as someone who has natural hair, because natural hair is not so easy to manage. You have natural hair, it will not be easy for you to wash your hair every few days or every day. So you can wash your hair like 1 to 2 times a week. But if you are someone who, like, you go to the gym, you work out a lot, so you cannot even wash your hair once a week. You have to wash it more often, especially if you have sweaty scalp and you work out a lot. Yeah. So just you need to just know what works for you, right? Also, use a clarifying shampoo at least once monthly. A clarifying shampoo helps remove buildup from your scalp that a normal shampoo would not. Because normal shampoo, yeah, it's help to wash the scalp and all that, but it might not totally remove the buildup that's in your scalp. So you need to use a clarifying shampoo at least once monthly. Then another tip is drink enough water. If you are someone who sweats a lot, you need to drink enough water. You need to stay hydrated. So always drink water and mind your business. Just drinking, drink enough water. Also, you need to know the kind of hairstyles you make. Know the kind of hairstyles you make. You can't compare yourself to the average person that does not have sweaty scalp. So you see this hairstyle, someone did 1 million braids or 1 billion braids, and you also want to do it. When you know that with your all back self, like your hair already like gets rough easily, with your all back like sweating and all that and everything, you need to wash your hair often. So when you make that hairstyle, that 1 million braids, will it be easy for you to wash it often? And also, will it easily dry and things like that? You need to put all that into consideration. With every ventilation, like would fresh air get to your scalp with that style? So that style might not necessarily be the best for you if you have sweaty scalp. So you need to know the kind of hairstyles that work for you. You need to know the kind of hairstyles you make, right? And then let your scalp breathe. Let your scalp breathe. So we know that as naturalistas, we are supposed to protect our hair when we sleep, but it is not compulsory to use a certain bonnet or a silk scarf or a certain scarf, especially when you know you have sweaty scalp. Without tying your hair alone, you're already sweating. Example, me, I sweat a lot. I can touch my scalp and literally like you'll be seeing water, sweat, liquid. My hands will be wet. That's how I sweat a lot on my scalp. I sweat a lot. So you find alternatives to certain bonnets so that at this fresh air can get to your scalp, so that your scalp can breathe. Do you understand? So you can use certain pillowcase or silk pillowcase, not necessarily a scarf or a certain bonnet. So that is another tip. So these are some tips that actually help me to manage sweating scalp. So one thing is you need to understand your scalp type, you need to understand your hair type, and you need to know what works for you. That's why it's not good to compare yourself to the next person, because everyone has diverse hair peculiarities, or should I say issues and things like that. So just know what works for you and stick to it. I hope you learned something in today's video. If you did, please like and share this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, because you are going to learn so much more. If you would also like to join my Formulation community for free, it's on Telegram. Check the link in the caption to join. Follow me on Instagram at @medex_formulation school. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.